act with myself if you don't respond. I'll be okay and move on. Who am I kidding? There's no use in trying. I'm lying, I'm lying, I'm lying. Why does this always happen? Why can't I?
Hello everyone! Today I will draw a dragon idea based on this comment with these emojis. I will draw a kiwi dog. And I have an offer for you. I have my own Telegram channel. As soon as I draw a new dragon idea, I will publish it there. If you want to be featured in my next video, send me a photo of the dragon you made from my idea, and I will include the best works in my next video. And as you may have noticed, I added subscriber dragons at the beginning of the video based on the previous idea, which I was drawing. And if you want your dragon to be featured in my clip according to my idea, subscribe to my Telegram channel. And by the way, I communicate with you there and answer some questions. Be sure to subscribe your dragons and write your nickname. And don't forget to leave emojis in the comments under the video so that I'll draw the next dragon based on them. And I continue to draw the kiwi dog. I am shaping the dog's jaw. I'll paint a fur imitation. Now let's draw a little nose. I'll draw the teeth. And now I'll draw the eyes. Now I'll draw the ears in the shape of kiwi. I'll draw the imitation of fur on the nose. I'll draw the coloring in the shape of kiwi. And now I'll draw a few slices of kiwi. And now we start coloring the kiwi dog. Here's a kiwi dog I drew. Write 3 smileys in the comments, and based on them, I'll draw the next idea for a dragon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Good luck to everyone.